He loves it when I come home from the gym because I'm all sweaty. Hey. He doesn't want to play my games anymore. I got out the camera and he was like, I can't be caught doing it. There you go. Hi. Yes, I know. I'm all sweaty. I'm all sweaty. This is all I need, right? I just need a dog bath. What? Puppies are cute. Hey. Hey, cutie. Ow. You're going to be too big to sit here soon. Do you know that? You are. And I'm going to be really sad because you're cute. Yeah. Mwah. I love this little monkey. So I'm super proud of myself. I haven't gone to the gym twice in a week in a while because just, like, I really have no excuse other than things just popped up. And I should have made the effort to go, but things happen. Whatever. You just got to jump right back on that horse. So I've gone to the gym twice this week, and I can only go twice, which is okay because I'm getting back into it. But I did it. I'm really proud of myself. And I haven't gone to the gym 2 days in a row in a long time. Usually I try to go Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But I'm going to have to be more flexible. As much as I like having habits and going at specific times and stuff, I'm going to have to suck it up and try to go at times when I can in a little bit. Because, for instance, this week I'm going into the office tomorrow and Friday to do some work. They've given me a couple extra hours. They need help around the office now that they've lost someone. And I was like, hey, I'm 100% okay with getting extra hours. I'd love to get to at least 20 hours a week at one job. And, you know, 20 hours at the other job would be amazing. So I was like, yeah, you know, I'll come in if you want. So they want me in tomorrow and Friday. I'm also going in at 9 o'clock tomorrow for paperwork, to fill out paperwork for the promotions coordinator position, and they want to get me started. So I don't know if that means I'm starting this weekend with them or next week, but we'll see. Either way, it sounds like I'm starting really soon. But I'm really proud of myself when it comes to workouts. Yesterday I don't know if I said this on the vlog, I did 3.77 miles in 35 minutes. Today was a little sucky. It was really hard for me to get going. Like, my legs were just like, I don't want to do this, which I think is because I haven't done 2 days in a row in a long time. But I did it. I pushed myself, and holy crap, 90s DDR music is fantastic to run to. Captain Jack and Sandstorm are some of the best songs that I've listened to recently. I'm going to have to keep mixing it up because the more I mix it up, the better I do, and I don't get used to the songs, but those songs are great. I'm going to have to look for more DDR songs. But what I've been trying, so my goal this time, my goal was to get 3.5 miles in 35 minutes, and I've been holding pretty well to that. I think I've been doing pretty good. So now I'm going to do, I'm not going to pay attention to that as much. Instead, I want to keep myself above the 6.0 speed 3 times in a row. So 3 workouts in a row, I want to stay above a 6.0 speed. Yesterday I did okay. I dropped 3 times. Once was I was trying to get a drink of water and just wasn't paying attention to my speed because I have my water bottle right there, and I have to drink. I do. And the other 2 times were during cool down, which I assume is just because I was tired. But like, I want to keep it above the entire workout, even through 35 minutes, even up to the 35 minutes, because on ellipticals, they do, you know, 30 minutes or whatever you do, and then they give you a 5-minute cool down. But I want to keep it up the whole time. Today, I dropped more times than I could count. Like, really, I stopped counting because I was just like, apparently that's not going to be a day where I'm going to hit that goal. So instead, I pushed myself, and I made 3 miles in 27 minutes and 8 seconds, which is the best time I've had in a long time. That means my average is about 9 minutes per mile. When I was in high school, I had an 8-point-something mile, 8.20 seconds or so. So I'd love to get back down to that. But I'm at roughly a 9-minute mile, which is awesome. And I got 3.86 miles. So I don't think that's my best. Actually, I think it might be my best, but I think it ties. Like, I think I usually try to get around 3.86. I don't know if I can, well, I can do more if I push myself more, but anyway, 3.86 miles is the farthest I've gone, I believe. I'll check back at maybe 3.87, but right around there. I very rarely get above a 3.8 miles anymore. So I'm really proud of myself, because even though it was a really tough day and I had a really hard time getting started, I still pushed myself and I still did my workout and I still feel pretty good. So Cody wanted to watch Inside Out tonight because I got it as soon as it came out on DVD. But Cody, what happened?
The plug for the DVD cable broke off inside of our DVD player.
And Bombadil is helping so much.
Bombadil thinks he's my assistant and he's giving me advice on why I'm doing this all wrong.
He was very upset.
Little does Bombadil know I don't need his help. But he still thinks he's gonna help.
Are you gonna help him? Bombadil, are you gonna help? Okay, right. Bombadil, come here.
He makes it 1,000 times.
Oh, dude, you jumped too early. Bombadil, come here. Come here. Bombadil, come here. I love watching you fail on camera. Bombadil, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bombadil, come here. There you go. That's how you jump on the couch. Yeah. You're a good boy. Even if you do get nose prints on my camera. Are you helping out Cody? Whoop.
Bombadil, right in my ear. Every time. Stop it. Stop barking in my ear.
I'm not gonna lie, it's like super cute. But I understand how it can get annoying. So yeah, now the goal is we're gonna watch Inside Out on Saturday and do pizza and movie night.
Get out of here. Bombadil's so loud. Right in my ear so
He
loud.
looks so proud of himself. Like, yes, I did it. And there's Kitty, who apparently has an upset stomach or something. Or really bad hairballs.
Bombadil? No, no! Stop it!
I'm not really sure which. What do you do?
I was like just about to maybe get a chunk of this thing out, and he started licking my hand.
Bombadil, come here, buddy. Put your hand. I don't even think those count as Chewbacca noises, Cody. I don't know what those are. Well, ignore the cat. Okay, he's done.
That was weird.
This is our evening entertainment. Yeah, she didn't want to play with you anymore. You must have another tooth about to come out or something like coming in.
I guess.
Bombadil!
Because he's just constantly acting
Hey,
like he's chewing on something.
Say goodnight. Bombadil, say goodnight. Oh.